Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error while communicating with Rocket League servers issue. Let's get started. First, if you're on console or PC, try restarting the game, your console or PC, and even your router. Sometimes disconnecting or limiting devices on your network can help too. If the problem still persists on PC, open File Explorer and go to your Documents folder. Find the My Games folder, then open the Rocket League folder and look for the cache folder. Close the game completely, delete that cache folder, and then launch the game again. Next, go back to your Epic Games Store or Steam library. Right-click on Rocket League and select Manage, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it scan and repair any corrupted files. This step often fixes issues with server communication, and that's it. After doing these steps, your game should work properly. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.